Morning students, welcome to 10th class Physical Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about the topic lens. Okay, lens is formed when it is a transparent material bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. That is, every lens it has at least one curved surface or spherical surface. Okay, there are many types of lens. There are biconvex lens, biconcave lens, next plano convex lens, plano concave lens, concave convex lens, and so on, etc. There are various types of lens they are available. Okay, friends. First one is that lens. Okay, lens. Okay, lens is formed. Lens is formed when a transparent material when a transparent material bounded by two surfaces of which one or both are spherical. Both are spherical. That is every lens of each lens it has every lens has at least one curved surface. At least one curved surface. Okay, friends, what is the lens? Lens is formed. It's formed when a transparent material. Transparent material means the materials which are allow the light through them. That materials are called transparent materials. Once again, the materials which are allow the light through them, that materials are called transparent material. So here lens is a transparent material. This material is bounded. It is bounded by two surfaces. The reason the lens is bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. So both surfaces or at least one surfaces are spherical surface. That is, every lens or each lens it has every lens or each lens has at least one curved surface. At least one has curved surface. Okay, these lenses they are have different types. There are many variations of lens that are available. Okay, we have look at there are different types of lenses. First one lens is a biconvex lens. Okay, first one is biconvex lens. Biconvex lens. Next one is biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. And third one is plano convex lens. Plano convex lens. And fourth one is plano concave lens. Plano concave lens. And fifth one is concave convex lens. Okay, students, in our 10th standard physical science is given there are 5 types of lens. First one is a biconvex lens. Next one is biconcave lens. Next one plano convex lens. And next one plano concave lens. And next one is a concave convex lens. Here pi means 2. That is, the lens has 2 curved surfaces. Okay, students. Next one, look at that convex lens. Its structure is that this is a convex lens. Next one is this is a concave lens. Next one, this is a plano convex lens. Next one, this is a plano concave lens. Next one, this is a concave convex lens. Okay, students, what is this symbol? What is this? This is a convex lens. This is a concave lens. This is a plano convex lens. This is a plano concave lens. This is a concave convex lens. Okay. Next one, we look at one by one. What is the biconvex lens? What is biconvex lens? A lens which has bonded with 2 spherical surfaces. Both surfaces are welded out. That lens is said to be biconvex lens. In this lens, middle part as thick. Middle part is thick and edges are thin. Middle part, this lens, the lens which is as thick at middle part and thin at edges. Okay, students, we will get that thick at middle part, the lens which is as thick thick at middle part, thick at middle, and thin at edge. Okay, what are the property of convex lens? Convex lens, it is thick at middle part and thin at edge. Okay, students, a lens which is as thick at middle and thin at edge, this lens is called a convex lens. Once again, the lens which has thick yet middle and thin at edge, this lens is said to be convex lens. And the lens which is bounded with two spherical surfaces, both spherical surfaces are bulged out. Okay, students, because this is that one curved surface, this is that another curved surface. Okay, both the spherical surfaces, because this is a one spherical surface, this is another spherical surface, both are bulged out. Okay, this is a biconvex lens, and this middle part is thick. And edges are thin. This lens is called a biconvex lens. Okay, students, the lens which is made up of two spherical surfaces, these two spherical surfaces are bulged out, and its middle point is the thick and edges are thin. This lens is said to be a convex lens. Okay, next point is a biconcave lens. Next one is biconcave lens. Biconcave lens. Biconcave means a lens which is bonded with two curved surfaces or spherical surfaces. Two curved surfaces, both curved surfaces are inward. Both curved surfaces are inward. And the lens which is as thin at middle and thick at edges. This lens is called biconcave lens. Okay, students, the lens which is as thin at middle and thick at edges, this lens is said to be biconcave lens, or the lens which is bounded with two curved surfaces, both curved surfaces are inward. Understand? Because this is one curved surface and this is that another curved surface. These both curved surfaces are inward. Okay, both curved surfaces are inward. Okay, this lens is said to be concave lens. This is a concave lens. In this concave lens, this middle part is thin and edges are thick. Okay, friends, edges are thick. Okay, friends, edge parts are thick. Okay, edge parts are thick, but middle part is that thin. Okay, once again, what is the biconcave lens? Biconcave lens, a lens is which is the bounded with two curved surfaces. The both curved surfaces are inward. Okay, okay. Both curved surfaces are inward. This lens is said to be concave lens. In the concave lens, it has thin at middle. Middle is the thin, but edges are thick. Edges are thick. This lens is said to be concave lens. Okay. Generally, we have to consider that the lenses which are thinner and we neglect the thickness of lens. Okay, for the purpose of drawing of ray diagrams on the lenses, we use the lenses, we consider only the thinner lenses and to neglect the thickness of the lenses. Okay,